can anyone believe that a Baz or whatever, I don't know his full name, can issue summons? A man from Cross River, an APC man from Cross River, will come into Port Harcourt under whatever name he's called, and then issue a summon against the elected governor of Rivers State, and you think that will make any sense to anybody? I don't think there's such thing. And even if it's a game somebody is playing, from now to 100 years, a Baz lacks the capacity, even in his new life, this present and even in his new life, to issue a summon to Governor Fubara and his deputy. There's even no such thing, to my knowledge. And if there's any such thing, Fubara will not answer it. Governor Fubara will not answer it. It's like summoning the entire Rivers people. There's the governor, elected, still under oath, that have a tenure, despite this interruption. And you see, this is somebody that came purportedly to restore peace even when there is no war going on. Now he has left his assignment, talking about his administration. Does he have an administration? He has an assignment. And there's even nothing on the ground that requires him to continue to hang around Port Harcourt in the name of whatever it's called. You are sacking electoral commission. It's just like president waking up and sacking the entire INEC. Where has that happened before? You come in from Cross River, you are not elected, you don't have any constitutional power, and then you say you are dissolving state electoral commission because the wike group wants you to go and conduct an illegal election for them to put local government chairman. It will be dead on arrival. And now he's stoking, Baz is now stoking crisis and confusion in Rivers State, in playing the pro-wike card. But all these things are nonsense. Enjoy it for a few months. They are null and void. Any local government election conducted in Rivers State that is not conducted by the statutorily appointed commissioners of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, led by retired Justice Enebli, is null and void. No governor, nobody will come into office and allow it to stand 10 seconds. Because one, in law, you cannot put something on nothing. A military administrator from Cross River comes in and dissolves an electoral commission of Rivers State and uses a group of imposters to do the election, and you want it to stand. Nobody. It can't stand. If that's what this whole drama and emergency confusion is all about, it will not stand. It will be null and void. Nobody will honor it. All those statutory bodies that have tenure under the law that was dissolved, as Baz is going, in a matter of weeks or months, they are going with him. If they lie, let them hang up. But he can't put something on notice. So it's not even existing. It doesn't matter. It's not even existing. Governor Fubara did not appoint sole administrators in the local government when Supreme Court voided local government election. But a man from Cross River enters Rivers and then appoints a sole administrator that even an elected governor did not do. And he wants to now go and conduct an election so he can put wike people as government chairman, and you think he can stand? As he is exiting with you. Because the only election conducted by the electoral commission that has tenure can stand. Not a group of imposters. You bring in your cousins from Cross River or your friends and pro-wike people, and you populate the governance already. Meaning that that's all you have wanted from day one, to steal from the back door, that which have not been given to you people. So Governor Fubara is strong and not worried about any of these issues. And the opposition is not worried about this nonsense that this ongoing nonsense, the desecration of democratic institutions in Rivers State by Baz. Suddenly, governorship is with him. Go and buy a nomination form and run for governor in Cross River State. You think you can just come from Cross River and then forever remain and govern Rivers people as if the Rivers people are conquered people? And dishing out your people, dishing out falsehood and lies left, right, and center. So all this ongoing attempt, we have raised this concern about this ongoing attempt of, desecration of democratic institutions. You dissolve an electoral commission. Where has that ever happened? Are you Mobutu Sese Seko? As who? And you appoint imposters? And you think you can conduct the government election and it will stand? It cannot stand. Nobody can honor it. It's good you know it now. And don't go about wasting the resources of the people. Everything, all the projects are going as planned. The State House of Assembly, Fubara is almost completing it, which Bass himself confirmed. Trans-Calabari Highway, all of these are going on. So, trying to steal the mandate of the people of River State and the opposition through the back door